7th standard student to English grammar and writing skill class. We have been studying lesson number 3, nouns. And in that we have already studied in our first part proper noun and common noun. So let's continue with this lesson and take out your books, open page number 10. We will be studying nouns, number, singular and plural. So first of all, what is a noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing, right? So in this class we are going to study nouns, number, that is singular and plural. A noun that refers to only one person, place, animal or thing is said to be in the singular form. A noun that refers to more than one person, place, animal or thing is said to be in the plural form. Okay? Singular means what? Single. Singular means single, only one. And plural means more than one. One से ज़्यादा. It can be either 2, 3, 4, 5 till infinite. एक से ज़्यादा है, then it is which form? Plural form. And it is only one, single, then it is what? Singular form. अगर noun single है, then it is a singular form of noun. अगर noun more than one है, then it is what? Plural form of noun. Look at the example 1. The teacher keeps the book on the shelf. Here there are 3 nouns in this sentence: teacher, book and shelf. These 3 nouns are in singular form. Okay, and now look at the second example. The teachers keep the books on the shelves. Here in this sentence the 3 nouns are in the plural form. Teacher का plural क्या बना? Teachers. Book, books. Shelf, shelves. Okay? Understood the difference? If it is one, the singular. If it is more than one, then it is what? Plural. So here in this lesson we are going to study certain rules to convert singular into plural form. कि हम singular word को plural में कैसे convert कर सकते हैं. Those rules we are going to study. But before that, some nouns are always in singular form, which namely that is proper nouns and abstract noun. Proper nouns और abstract noun क्या रहते हैं? They are always in singular form, right? हम proper noun मुंबई, अगर it is a proper noun, it is the name of a place. We can't say Mumbai's, right? तो proper noun क्या रहते हैं? Proper noun and abstract noun, they are always in singular form. And few common nouns are also always in singular. कुछ common nouns भी ऐसे हैं जो हमेशा singular ही रहते हैं. Example here are water, waters बोलते हम नहीं, air, airs बोलते हम नहीं, hair, etc. Okay? However, few rules have to be followed to form the plural form of singular nouns. Rule 1. The general rule is to add s in the singular noun. This is the common rule. We always do this, right? What we have to do? We have to add s at the end of the singular noun to convert it into what? Plural. Example, boy. If we add s to a boy, it will become boys. Student, students. House, houses. Chair, chairs. Okay? So the general rule is what? To add s to the singular noun. Now rule 2. Singular noun ending in s, x, z, double s, ch, sh, add es to the plural to form the plural. If our singular noun is ending, अगर हमारा एक जो singular noun वाला word है वो कौन से अल्फ़ाबेट से end हो रहा है, यानी लास्ट में उसके कौन सा अल्फ़ाबेट आ रहा है? S, X, Z, double S, CH, SH। अगर ये अल्फ़ाबेट्स हमारे वर्ड के एंड में आ रहा है देन वी हैव टू ऐड व्हाट ES to form the plural. Understood? Example given here is BUS, bus, which is the ending alphabet S. S है लास्ट में, तो हम क्या ऐड करेंगे ES. Bus will become buses, box boxes, bus buses, boss bosses, church churches, bush bushes. एंड एक्सेप्शन इज दैट ऑक्स है तो उधर क्या ऐड करेंगे हम ऑक्सन EN ऐड करेंगे. ओके, नाउ रूल 3, इफ अ सिंगुलर नाउन एंड्स इन अ कॉन्सोनेंट प्लस Y देन Y चेंजेस टू IES. ओके, अगर हमारे वर्ड में लास्ट में Y है और Y के पहला वाला जो अल्फ़ाबेट है इफ़ इट इज़ कॉन्सोनेंट, कॉन्सोनेंट मीन्स व्हाट, ऑल द अल्फ़ाबेट्स अदर देन वोवेल्स AEIOU को छोड़ के जो बचेले अल्फ़ाबेट से अगर वो Y के पहले आते हैं देन वी विल कन्वर्ट दैट टू Y इंटू IES. Y कट करेंगे और वहाँ पे क्या ऐड करेंगे IES. ओके, एग्जाम्पल गिवन हियर इज लेडी लेडीज, फ्लाई फ्लाइज. लेडी में क्या है लास्ट में Y and before that which alphabet is there? D. Is D a vowel? No. D is not a vowel, it is consonant. So we will just remove Y and instead of Y what we will add? IES. Lady will become ladies, fly will become flies. Understood? Now turn the page. Rule 4. If a singular noun ends in the vowel plus Y, add S to form the plural. If our word is ending with Y and the alphabet before the Y is vowel, vowel means A, E, I, O, U. अगर Y से पहले A, E, I, O, U है then what we will do? We will only add S, okay, to form the plural. For example, boy, Y, right? Y के पहले क्या है O. O is vowel. EEIOU, right? O is vowel. So what we will do? We will only add S. Key, KEY, key. Before Y, which alphabet is there? E. E is also vowel. So what we will do? We will only add S to form the plural. Understood? Now rule 5. If a singular noun ends in F or FE, change F or FE to VES. Okay, if our word is ending with what? F. अगर हमारे वर्ड के एंड में F आता है या FE आता है सो हम क्या करेंगे F को रिमूव करेंगे या FE रहा तो FE को रिमूव करेंगे एंड विथ व्हाट वी विल ऐड VES. For example, WIFE, wife. FE is there, so we will remove that FE and what we will add VES. Wife will become wives. Leaf will become leaves. Okay. Exception is there. Exception मतलब ये हमेशा नहीं होता है. Sometimes safe SAFE safe. FE भी है लेकिन वो क्या होता है सेफ्स, बिलीव्स, कैफे कैफेज, रूफ्स, ओके, चीफ्स, ड्रॉफ्स. Exceptions are also there in certain words, but mostly what we will do, we will remove F or FE and add what VES to form it into a plural form. Now rule 6. If a singular noun ends in a consonant plus O, add ES to the plural. If our singular noun is ending with O and before O a consonant is there, then what we will add? ES. Example, potato will become potatoes, tomato will become tomatoes. But here also exception is there. एक्सेप्शन क्या है, कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे हैं जिनको हम अगर ओ से एंड होता है और कॉन्सोनेंट है पहले तो कभी कभी हम ई एस नहीं ऐड करते, वी विल जस्ट ओनली ऐड व्हाट एस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऑटो ऑटोज, फोटो फोटोज, जीरो जीरोज, पियानो पियानोज. Understood? Exception are there. Now rule 7. If a singular noun ends in the vowel plus o, add as form the plural. If our word is ending with o and vowel is there before the o, then what we will do? We will only add s. अगर हमारा वर्ड ओ से एंड हो रहा है और उसके पहले वोवेल ए ई आई ओ यू है तो हम कैसे क्या करेंगे ऐड, उसमें सिर्फ एस ऐड करेंगे उसको प्लूरल बनाने के लिए. एग्जाम्पल जू, जूज, रेडियो रेडियोज, वीडियो वीडियो, स्टूडियो स्टूडियो स्टूडियोज. ओके. Now rule 8 is irregular plurals. There are many nouns which do not follow any rules. They have irregular plurals. Means ऐसे कितने वर्ड्स हैं जहाँ पे कोई रूल फॉलो नहीं होता है. ओके. दे हैव इरेगुलर प्लूरल्स मतलब टोटली डिफरेंट प्लूरल रहते हैं. जैसे मैन मैन, टूथ टीथ, फुट फीट, गूज geese, mouse mice, woman women, child children. Okay. Now some nouns remain unchanged in plural form. There are certain singular words which remain same in their plural form also. Means singular और plural form में वो क्या रहते हैं, सेम ही रहते हैं ना, उनके स्पेलिंग में कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं आती है. Example fish fish, sheep sheep, deer deer, furniture furniture, luggage luggage, information information, knowledge knowledge, wisdom wisdom, etc. There are many words which are unchanged in singular and plural form. Okay. Now rule 10 is some nouns are always plural. ऐसे कई नाउन है वो जो क्या है सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्लूरल ही रहते हैं. जैसे हमने देखे ये ऊपर वाला क्या था, दे वर इन सिंगुलर फॉर्म एंड दे आर सिंगुलर ऑलवेज. एंड नाउ वी विल सी द वर्ड्स विच आर ऑलवेज व्हाट प्लूरल. एग्जाम्पल गिवन हियर इज पैंट्स पैंट्स, स्पेक्टिकल्स स्पेक्टिकल्स, ट्राउजर्स ट्राउजर्स, सीजर्स सीजर्स. ओके. नाउ रूल 11 is some nouns are made up of two or more words. They are called compound nouns. If we are using more than two words, then it is called as what? Compound word. And here if we are joining two nouns, then it will become what? Compound noun. Example given here is mother-in-law. How many words are there? There are 3 words in this, right? Mother plus in plus law. Here 3 words have been added, so it is what? A compound noun. Mother-in-law will become mothers-in-law. Officer in charge become officers in charge. Only the first noun is changed to plural form. In compound noun what happen? Only the first word is changed. Okay. फर्स्ट वर्ड ही खाली चेंज होता है अगर हमको उसको सिंगुलर से प्लूरल में कन्वर्ट करना है तो. Understood? We have to remember all these rules. Now rules 12 is exceptional noun. The plurals are formed by changing the ending. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, ऐसे कई वर्ड्स है जिसके सिर्फ एंडिंग चेंज करके ही हम उसको सिंगुलर से प्लूरल में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. जैसे syllabus will become syllabi, curriculum curriculi, phenomenon phenomena, bacterium bacteria. Understood? Now other exception of singular nouns. We have seen these rules were these 12 rules were to convert the singular to plural, right? Now other exception of singular nouns are few nouns sound and read like plurals but they are always singular in form. We have a good news. News singular. Sports is necessary. Sports singular. Though s is added in the end, new new होता है जबकि news becomes what? News. S is there, so it is what? A singular. Mathematics is interesting. This is also singular. Okay. Other examples are economic, statistic, police. यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Singular nouns and plural is always same. Okay. Now we will be studying countable and uncountable noun. Nouns can either be countable or uncountable. Countable nouns are that or those that refer to something that can be counted. They have both singular and plural form. Countable nouns are which noun? Which can be counted easily. Okay, जो हम काउंट कर सकते हैं easily, then such nouns are called as what? Countable nouns. Okay, and these countable nouns, they both have singular and plural form. Example, a student is a single, right? A student मतलब एक अकेला student. Students means many student. The city, the cities. A dog, dogs. Table, tables. You can use a or an before a singular noun. Now, uncountable nouns are those that refer to something that cannot be counted. They do not have a plural form. Uncountable nouns are which nouns? Which we cannot count easily, and they do not have a plural form. What we have seen? काउंटेबल क्या है? जो हम इजीली काउंट कर सकते हैं और उनका सिंगुलर फॉर्म भी है, प्लूरल फॉर्म भी है, राइट? बट अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स आर दोज विच वी कैन नॉट इजीली काउंट एंड दे डू नॉट हैव अ प्लूरल फॉर्म. वो प्लूरल फॉर्म में नहीं आते हैं. अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स आर ऑलवेज इन विच फॉर्म? सिंगुलर फॉर्म. एग्जाम्पल इज वाटर, अर्थ, वुड, ब्रेड, कॉफी, जॉय. And you cannot use a or an before uncountable nouns. Some uncountable nouns can be used in the plural as well depending on the meaning or the context of the word. I am thirsty, I need some water. Okay, I am thirsty, I need a glass of water. Here, what is the difference? In the first sentence, it is given some water. Some water, it is uncountable. Some मतलब कितना चाहिए? कप भर के चाहिए, ग्लास भर के चाहिए, जग भर के चाहिए, right? It is uncountable. If somebody say a glass of water and एक glass चाहिए पानी का, then it is what? Countable. Would you like some tea? Some tea is also uncountable. Here, the number is not given, right? कि कितना चाहिए? I ordered a coffee. It is countable. It refers to a cup of coffee. So means कितनी कॉफ़ी चाहिए? एक कप. So we can count. कितने कप है? एक कप चाहिए, दो कप चाहिए. So here we can count a cup of coffee. So there are certain exception also. It depends on the situation which is given in the sentence. Understood the difference? So what we have studied today, that countable and uncountable. Countable means which we count, and uncountable means which we cannot count. Countable nouns, it is present in both singular and plural form, whereas uncountable noun is present only in singular form. Hope you have understood this lesson. If you have any problem, then you can contact me. Till then, take care. Bye bye.